All right, so we have Affinity Publisher pulled up here, and it is the newest program from Affinity that is supposed to directly compete with Adobe InDesign. And I love the program. I think it's amazing. I think that I created this quick little, I'm a photographer, so in my spare time. So I created this quick little book just out of some of my photos earlier, just for fun, messing around with Publisher. And it's just user-friendly. It's easy. It's just so intuitive. You click on a box and you can change the opacity just as easy as you can in any other Adobe product. You can move stuff around. You can resize really quickly and really easily. The one thing I love is that even on a computer that's not extremely fast, the rendering of the photos is still very solid. So even if I did a test where I had 45 pages, I think, and they had some pretty heavy, intense use of photographs, and they all looked great and they worked really well. You can see that it's similar to the page layouts of Adobe InDesign, and you can go through the book just like you would normally. So if this was your yearbook, this is what you would see. You can move things around. You can make guides just like you can in Adobe's products. It's just super fast. It's super easy. It's super clean, and I love designing stuff here. It's fun to use. It's just intuitive in a way that I don't find Adobe InDesign to be sometimes, even though I have way more experience with Adobe InDesign. This is just a fun program to use, and it's something that when I have shown students and they've used it, they've enjoyed too, and they've gotten a lot of, they're able to jump right in after using Adobe InDesign and to be able to work on this very, very quickly. And I think this is probably my favorite software that comes out of Affinity. Up here is what you can see, the designer persona and the photo persona, which is that studio link. Affinity has something called Studio Link where you can just do edits in, for instance, Affinity Photo. It brings up a lot of the tools from Affinity Photo and allows you to make those kind of edits without leaving the program that I'm in right now. And so we're able to do some cool stuff without actually having to, load up. Like if you were using Adobe, you'd have to load up Photoshop, have InDesign open and Photoshop open, and then maybe you want to go and do some vector work, you'd have to have Illustrator open as well, and you're kind of going back and forth between 3 different programs. In Affinity, it's with Studio Link, you're going really quickly between the different personas to do those kind of edits, vector edits here, pixel edits here, and then page layout here. I find it really intuitive and really easy to use and a lot of fun to use. So for me, I love this, and this would be something that I would use in a heartbeat over Adobe InDesign without a worry. So hope you enjoy.